Advanced elevator technology enhances passenger safety in Namma Metro, says Bhatnagar. Bangalore, Thursday, 5th February. As Namma Metro undertakes a major expansion while placing passenger safety at the core of its growth plans, advanced elevator and escalator technologies are playing an increasingly important role in ensuring safe and seamless commuter movement, with around 500 elevators and nearly 1,000 escalators set to be deployed across the 78 kilometers expansion, said Sumit Bhatnagar, Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Ltd, BMRCL, officials said on Thursday. Representing Bangalore Metro Rail Corporation Ltd, BMRCL, Sumit Bhatnagar speaking at the second Smart Lift and Mobility World 2026 in Bangalore, said the metro network, which currently spans about 96 kilometers with 83 stations, will expand to nearly 175 kilometers with around 127 stations over the next 2 years. Addressing a stakeholders' meet, Bhatnagar said the scale of expansion will significantly increase vertical mobility requirements across stations, particularly at major interchange hubs and high-footfall locations. As the network grows, the need for elevators, escalators and travelators will rise sharply. In the next phase, we will be operating an inventory of around 500 elevators and close to 1,000 escalators, along with travelators at select stations to improve passenger movement, he said. Namma Metro's expansion is not just about adding new corridors, it's about managing passenger movement at an entirely new scale. The deployment of 500 elevators and nearly 1,000 escalators by BMRCL in the upcoming metro network reflects how integral elevators and escalators have become to the everyday commuter experience, said Anitha Raghunath, co-founder and director, Virgo Communications and Exhibitions. He noted that nearly 78 kilometers of metro corridors are currently under construction across Bangalore, underlining the pace at which the system is expanding. With daily ridership touching around 1 million, efficient movement of commuters.
An encouragement for the new generation who's coming into this industry to take this business forward. Along Vertical Transportation Training Private Limited, our advisors, PAPL and Utopias, and are supporting associates.
And making it more safe for riders, for the industry as a whole. About 20 years ago, we partnered with Virgo Communications, and I remember Raghu contacting me over and over and over, wanting me to come to India and meet with him and come to that first event. And finally, after many calls, he convinced me to come. And, never being in India, it was transformational. I tell people, if you've never been to India and you come, it just opens up your mind to the world because it's such a different place.
So the barrier-free trade, that means we can export elevators and escalators to any country in Asia Pacific, and then have the same product which can be installed everywhere. So that becomes very easy. It becomes easy for the users. It becomes easy for the regulators, it becomes easy for the inspectors, everybody, is comfortable with that. And then eventually we also work with WEEF, which is Worldwide Elevator and Escalator Foundation, to have a common code across the world. That's what is the final objective, that we should have a common code across the entire world. And the certificate, we are working with Philippines to start their own association. We are also now visiting Cambodia. Cambodian government wants to form elevator and escalator rules. And also we are promoting our next seminar in March in Phnom Penh, Cambodia.
So, team for enhancement of construction and infrastructure equipment, especially focusing on high value and technologically advanced components. This also covered a scheme for city economic corridors, the creation of an infrastructure risk guarantee fund, creation of 7 high-speed rail corridors. Now, all of this infrastructure as it comes also means that there's going to be increased demand for vertical mobility. In addition to that, of special interest to the elevator industry and also especially component industry is the creation of dedicated rare earth corridors in the states of Odisha, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu for the mining, processing, research, as well as manufacturing of rare earth permanent magnets. This is obviously something of cheer, especially for the motor manufacturers who have been facing tough times recently. So while these are
Sir,
And
Yeah,
looking
ma'am.
forward to all the things.
Escalator and mobility, all of these equipment in the mobility, very nicely organized event. This one, of course, Bangalore Metro is using a lot of elevators, escalators, and Metro is extending, so the use of elevators and escalators is actually so far already we are having around 500 elevators. 1,000 escalators will be there in next 2 years. So this is a very useful event. It will give us insight into the design, manufacturing, and maintenance of this equipment, which are very much essential for any metro system. Thank you very much.
World is a one of its kind exhibition, which is an integrated event, which brings elevators, escalators, mobility, parking, and access control together. Though we have started our journey in 2007, where we were only focusing on the elevator and components part, but we thought with time, with technology and IoT and everything, today everything in the building is interconnected. So that is why we thought of Smart Mobility as a renamed event. We have more than 170 companies who are exhibiting here today. And along with our conference and awards and elevator safety run, we try to bring the entire community from real estate to architects to builders and the elevator industry together. So that's the idea of this event. And, this is very, very crucial for today's real estate growth. And, you cannot have a building without elevators today. And today's all technologically advanced buildings, what you call as a smart buildings, are interconnected with everything, like from a gate to seat concept. The moment you come into a gate, you have access cards and you park your slot, then you go to your, building. You already have a kind of an access there, and then your lift is already ready for you to move because the lift understands there is technology there. This is destination control and other things allows you to understand where you need to go. So this concept is very much required for today's real estate growth, and that is what we are focusing on. We are expecting more than 10 to 12,000 in 3 days.
How will this be beneficial for anyone?
See, it's a B2B exhibition. Like I said, if you look at a real estate player, builder or architect, they need to think of at the design stage itself where they're going to put the lift, how they're going to cater to the people's movement in a building. That is what the idea of this event is.
What kind of a business is being generated in the area for the previous one?
See, that is very difficult to even put a number because each component has a different kind of a role and each numbers are vary from each other. So you can say it is a critical component today and it is going to be very, very crucial in the companies. Thank you.